Is Mogo Financial legit? You're strapped for cash. Bills are piling up, and your bank account is looking like a desert. You see an ad for Mogo Financial promising quick loans and easy approvals. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive in. Now, the financial world is a jungle. There are legit companies offering real help, but there are also predators lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce on the unsuspecting. So, how do you tell the difference? That's what we're here to figure out today. Mogo Financial claims to be a financial technology company offering a range of services from personal loans and credit monitoring to prepaid cards. Sounds good, right? But let's peel back the layers and see what's really going on. First, let's talk about those loans. They advertise quick approval and easy access to cash. But what's the catch? Interest rates are a big deal. Are they competitive, or are you getting gouged? And what about the terms? Are you signing up for a short-term loan that'll leave you buried in debt? Credit monitoring is another service Mogo offers. It's a valuable tool, but is it worth the price tag? There are free options out there, so is Mogo's service really providing added value? And what about data privacy? Are they protecting your sensitive information? The prepaid cards offered by Mogo can be convenient, but again, there are fees involved. Are these fees reasonable, or are they just another way to drain your wallet? Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, trust. Can you trust Mogo with your money? There are plenty of horror stories online about people getting burned by financial companies. So, what's the deal with Mogo? We'll be looking at customer reviews, analyzing the terms and conditions, and digging into the company's financial history. We'll also be comparing Mogo to other financial services to give you a better perspective. Remember, financial decisions are serious business. Don't let shiny promises blind you to the potential risks. It's essential to do your own research and understand exactly what you're getting into. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.